Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.45 Input Finish Base Substrate Back Sheet Price. Parts of the identification of a piece of material are the location and/or position the item has on the fixture or component. For this example, location is base substrate, position is back. Finish is a final coating or solid material on a component or part. The layout has a structure that can be identified. Back is sixth in the sequence of component layout throughout the application. The sequence is always top, front, left side, right side, bottom, and back. When more than one side is involved, the sides are laid out in the same order. For example, if back, front, right side, and top are randomly listed, the arrangement in the table is top, front, side right, and back. The back panel butts into the top, side left, side right, and bottom panels, thus no edges are exposed on the 4 sides. On the table's definitions and abbreviation sheet, Table 17, diagram of the cost workup sheet, demonstrates the structure. Row 764 is FINISHBACK which is Finish Substrate Back Outside Sheet. Enter $2.05 per square foot for plastic laminate in cell T764. When the price is entered in cell T764, the total material cost, $10.28 for that piece of material, is calculated in cell X764. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.45 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.46.